Today, who is Aam Aadmi Party protesting and fasting against? They are in power in Delhi for last 10 years. They have the Delhi Jal Board, they have MCD, they have all the important departments. So are they against protest against their own government? The fact of the matter is that even their own ally, the Congress party in India Alliance, is now acknowledging that Haryana is sending more than enough water. It is sending more than what it is committed to send. Supreme Court has also acknowledged this. Supreme Court has wrapped Aam Aadmi Party government and said that you have to control the water tanker mafia and water leakage because you have done only scams in Delhi Jal Board, and therefore no new pipes and no new cleaning etc. has been done. Instead of acting on that, instead of taking action on water tanker mafia, today they are again doing drama and dharna and dramabazi and diversion. The question is that why are they protecting the water tanker mafia? Is it because they are getting commission on every water tanker? And Mr. Kejriwal in 2011-12 had said that there is enough water in Delhi, 250 liters can be given to each person if the water tanker mafia stopped. 10 years have passed. What is stopping them from taking action on water tanker mafia?
Okay. Leader Kunal Ghosh is saying that Congress is in terrible situation in Bengal. First, Congress has no organization. Second, in Delhi, the Congress is playing anti-BJP role, but in Bengal, they are disturbing TMC and supporting the BJP. The people of Bengal have rejected this. Third, Congress is being alliance with CPIM.
देखिए, ये कैसा रिश्ता है इनका, इसको कहते हैं फ्रेंडशिप विद बेनिफिट्स। दिल्ली में दोस्ती करेंगे, बंगाल में कुश्ती करेंगे। दिल्ली में एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ेंगे, बंगाल में एक दूसरे का गला पकड़ेंगे, और यही अलायंस है। नो मिशन नो विशन, ओनली कंफ्यूजन एंड कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन। आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे चुनाव समाप्त हुए तो जो इंडिया अलायंस बना था दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी कांग्रेस का, वो भी टूट गया। पंजाब में तो पहले ही उनका झगड़ा चल रहा था। केरल में लेफ्ट और कांग्रेस एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं है। तो ये अलायंस जो है, ये अलायंस ऑफ कन्वीनियंस है। और आज सवाल ये बनता है कि अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी बंगाल में धोखेबाज है तो दिल्ली में आकर वो आपकी दोस्त कैसे बन जाती है, ये ममता दीदी को समझाना चाहिए। या तो ममता दीदी जहाँ कन्वीनियंट है वहां पर दुश्मनी और जहाँ कन्वीनियंट है वहां पर दोस्ती।